Now welcome back to the channel. It's the Matt and the JoJo, and today we gonna get this money, JoJo.
Yeah, we are. We have some jobs on the list. You're coming with us. It's a live premiere video, so say hi in chat, ask us some questions, and we'll answer you back.
And don't forget to smash that like button if you love me and the JoJo. Now let's get this money.
At the first job of the day, this person found us online with a Google search, and as you can see, the stuff starts right there and it continues. It's a load to a load and a half is what the person said on the phone. Matthew went in to take a look, and we'll see just how much room his stuff takes up.
So here's the first part of the job, and JoJo, it's all these mattresses right here that need to go. And then also, if you can see, in the backyard, we got a huge pile that goes from there all the way to the driveway. So we're gonna get one load done. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. A load and a half my ass. Holy shit, JoJo. And there's more stuff in the backyard too.
Yep, that's a downplaying thing that people in junk removal often see.
Oh yeah. Now leave a comment down below if your backyard or garage looks like this one right here. And if so, give us a call at 707-889-9727 and we'll come by and hit you with that price. Ain't that right, JoJo?
So right.
No, you're not bringing that home, JoJo. Not for the cat.
Needs his cat scratcher.
Oh, hell no.
So just like that, job is complete, and that was some easy money, JoJo. And there was more than a load there, wasn't there?
There was more. There was more than the pictures looked. There was much more than the person said over the phone. And so one thing you can do is when you get there and it looks like the customer is sticker shock and maybe he doesn't want to quite go with you because it was, much more than you originally said, you can always just ask them what their budget is. And he only wanted to pay for one load. So we told him, hey, we'll take a load worth. It's not gonna be everything. Make sure you're up front with them. We're not gonna be able to get all this in one load, but we can see how much we can get in there in one load, and we'll charge you for one load. And as long as the customer is, he's workable and his, price that he wants to pay isn't like crazy low, you try to work with them so you walk away with some money in your pocket and not just a job not done.
And that's great advice, JoJo. Now, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
My prediction of the dump fee is 70.
70? I'm gonna say $89. And leave a comment down below what you guys think. You want to change your bet or what?
No, I'm gonna say 70. Please, yeah, leave a comment in chat. What do you think the dump fee is gonna be? I think it's kind of cool when a subscriber gets really close.
So we're heading to the landfill. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. So guess who won? It wasn't me, it was the JoJo Lena. Damn you!
Yep, winner!
Whatever. So we're heading to the next job of the day, and I got a phone call a couple days ago from an old lady. She's moving and she has a vehicle inside her garage. And I asked her, what kind of vehicle is it? And she says, I have no idea. So you never know. Maybe it's a 69 Camaro, but probably not. But she says it used to run. She has a pink slip. She has the keys to it. So I'm bringing a Super Start Power Pack, which I got from the auto parts store, which ran me about $89. This thing is a lifesaver. I jumped my Mustang with it, my FJ Cruiser with it. So if you ain't got one of these, go grab one. And I love the trash business, JoJo. You never know.
You never know. You could get a phone call at any time for somebody that has a car or an RV or a boat. You never know.
So we're heading over there right now, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, and I'm praying, JoJo, that it's a 69 Camaro or Cougar. And if not, it's all good, because you can always tow the vehicle away, and you can call Cash for Cars and get paid that way, or you can always put it online and flip it on Facebook Marketplace.
Oh yeah, there's all kinds of things you could do, but leave a comment in chat and let us know, have you ever got a phone call to remove a car or a boat or a trailer or anything super cool like that?
What's your biggest find? Leave it in the comments down below. What's your best junk removal find? Leave it down below and let us know. So,
also, what kind of car do you think we're going to see when we go to this person's house?
I pray it's not a Ford Pinto, but you never know.
Are Ford Pintos bad?
You never driven in a Ford Pinto? Oh my goodness. Yes, they're horrible. That's the most ghettoest car you can ever drive. The most embarrassing vehicle ever in the world. Let me tell you like this. If my mom had a Ford Pinto back in the day and she was driving me to school, I'd have her park about 5 blocks away and I'd walk the rest of the way.
Oh, you know what kind of car I've seen before, and I think they're kind of crazy looking? I think they're called Yugos.
Yugos.
They're really tiny, like a wagon car.
I'd rather have a Yugo than a Pinto. So we're heading over there right now, and be very, very polite to the lady.
Oh, I will, even if the car is really crappy.
If she offers you cookies, coffee, let's sit on the couch and conversate and do what we do best.
So we're becoming best friends?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So we're heading over there right now. Let's go. So you guys aren't gonna believe what it is. It's a Ferrari, JoJo.
Matt, you are so dyslexic. The woman said Fiero.
Oh, really?
Fiero.
Well, that makes sense then.
Not Ferrari.
Whatever. So here's the scenario. Me and the JoJo got some thinking to do, and JoJo, is that vehicle not badass?
That was super cool. Number one, it was in awesome condition. Number two, it reminded me of Back to the Future with just all the little gadgets and stuff that was on it.
It goes 25 miles on a full charge. There's about at least $2,000 worth of batteries in that thing. But the thing is, the guy don't want it to be out there and driven around because he's the one that built it.
Yeah, he built it, and it's really important to him for it to just get disposed of properly. If something happened and somebody, bought it and drove off in it, and if something happened to them, he would feel liable because it's kind of a homemade little thing that he's been doing. He is a bit of a electronic little gadget person that enjoys working on stuff.
So leave a comment down below. What would you guys do in this situation right here? Pick and Pull won't take it because of the batteries, so the batteries have to be taken out to get it crushed.
Yeah, so there's a lot of things, you know, we kind of want to just bring it home, put it in the garage, and charge it once in a while and drive around. It makes no sound.
And it gets on it too. It gets on it really fast.
Yeah, so it's really an awesome thing, and it would be really cool to just kind of, you know, put it online and put it up for sale and have somebody else that has that kind of, you know, electronic mind would probably just love something like this. But we normally, I feel like once you've taken people's junk and stuff, it's yours to do with what you want. Donate it, sell it, reuse it, bring it home, or dump it. But when the customer's really upfront with you and they tell you, hey, this is what I would like to see happen to it, I just want to pay somebody to dispose of it properly, then you kind of feel like you're obligated to do that. But leave a comment. Is there something that we're overlooking? Is there another thing we could possibly do with this?
Because the thing is super clean. So he has 70,000 miles on the vehicle, and around 12,000 miles he's driven with the batteries in there. The batteries are worth some good money. So
Yeah, they are worth some really.
let us know what you guys would do in this situation. Me and the JoJo got to sleep on it. We might bring it home and park it in the garage and maybe take it to Walmart every once in a while. I don't know yet. So we're heading to the next job, and leave a comment down below what you guys would do in this situation.
Yeah, we need some advice. I think we need advice.
If I sleep on it too long, I might bring it home and park it by the Mustang and take it out every Saturday night when I'm dressed up in my suit.
We'll drive 12 miles away.
Oh yeah.
Or no, 10 miles away, because we'll need to come back.
That's all right. You know how much money we'll save in like 10 years going to Walmart and back?
But you can only go so far.
Oh yeah, so it's all good. It's 25 miles a day we can drive. We can drive to the dumps and back to the house. At least one time a day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we could do that.
yeah. So we're heading to the next job. Let's go.
Let's go. Job of the day. This person found us on Facebook, and it's one of my favorites because it's a garage clean out.
So just like that, job is complete. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
45.
45, I'm gonna say $43. And let me tell you the perks of owning your own business, a small business. I went hunting for 2 weeks and I turned my phone off and didn't get bothered at all, and I was enjoying life, JoJo.
Yeah, you know what? When you own your own business and it's small, you can do things like that. You can take time to enjoy life.
And maybe that's why I look a little bit hairy right now. I've been in the woods hunting goose deer and mule deer, but I didn't get nothing. And now it's lunchtime, JoJo, and I'm trying to eat healthy because I was out there in the woods eating everything I can eat. So I got me a chicken teriyaki bowl. I'm living that healthy life now. What are you eating on?
I have sushi, and I've never been a huge sushi fan, but it's, you know, it's not really your typical raw fish sushi. So it's like, when I have sushi, I like it crunchy and with either crab, lobster, or shrimp.
You chancy, girl. You fancy as hell.
I'm not a raw fish person.
So we're going to get our grub on, head to the landfill. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready to tear this up.
What's your prediction of the dump fee?
Yeah, leave it in the comments down below. And what do you guys eat for lunch? Check this bad boy out. Tell me that don't look damn good for $11. And check out that JoJo's. Ooh, wait. I'm eating some of that too.
Yeah, I'll share with you.
Yeah, better. So So look who won. It was $33. I beat your ass, and it feels damn good beating the JoJo Lena.
We're like killing it with the dump fees today.
Oh yeah, we definitely are.
Nothing's heavy.
Now, just like that, we're at the last job of the day. And check this pile from hell out. JoJo, I was gone for 2 weeks hunting, and I come back to this pile of shit. What the hell?
It's our garbage.
It's our garbage. The only thing I know is it's only 1 o'clock, and how much money did we make?
Bomb chicken wow wow.
All I know is we made a killing today. And if you guys like these videos, what do you want them to do, JoJo?
Hit the like button, subscribe, check out our other videos, and check out our channel membership.
I would charge around, let me see, this pile right here. Oh, JoJo, don't fall down. Ooh, that's a pretty good pile, JoJo. What do you think? $249? What do you think? I'm gonna hit him with 300.
Yeah, with 300.
Hey, I don't really want the job.
It's because it's your garbage.
Whatever. So we'll catch you guys on the next video. We love all you guys.